Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to discuss another very important research topic, that is intelligent systems. So when we are discussing this particular concept, then again, as we usually discuss the basic definition, so let me tell you that intelligent systems refers to developing some sort of systems which have a kind of intelligence. The kind of means it might be the artificial, and most obviously it is artificial only, but still there might be some the human components or the sort of things. So that's why some sort of heuristics or the sort of intelligent system or the ability to take the right decisions according to the network situations or the system architectural overheads, etc. So based on all these sort of things, if a particular system is able to take the decision, then that particular system is termed as intelligent systems. Now, most importantly, artificial intelligence and sort of system and the pseudo intelligence, all these things come into picture. And when we say the system intelligence, it means that the system is taking some sort of intelligible decisions based on the underlying network heuristics or the kind of statistics obtained from the system. Okay, so let me tell you that as we are going to discuss this particular area, so in this particular area, more than 100 countries, the authors have been working actively, and more than 10,000 researchers have been exploring the different aspects of intelligent system. So when we discuss the kind of research that is going to be part of this particular concept, that is intelligent systems. So the computational intelligence, fuzzy logic, intelligent agents, soft computing, neurofuzzy systems, the mechatronics, cyber physical systems, so fourth industrial revolution, phishing, context awareness, ergonomics of the systems, associations between different components of a particular system. Then the ontology means the relation towards the information sciences, the fuzzy sets, the knowledge engineering, smart city based applications, etc. So many different things are part of research. Now, when we say that so many components are part of research, so which particular different funding bodies or the sort of sponsoring bodies are available? So as I told you that the fuzzy system, soft computing, cyber physical system, industrial revolution, the smart city, etc. So as you can see that smart transportation, smart intelligence, then the smart vehicle system, all these things are kind of the application domains of this particular type of intelligent system. And that's why any medical field, any education field, any sort of field that is going to incorporate some sort of intelligence into its application or the part of system, then obviously that is the key application area. So here, when we are going to say that which are the top related journals that we are going to discuss, because when we are going to say that so much research is going on, then there should be some active research components. So let me tell you that IEEE Intelligent Systems is a very prominent journal. Then the International Journal of Intelligent Systems, a journal of advanced intelligence and intelligent informatics, ACM transactions, ACM transactions on interactive intelligent system, because you can also interact with that kind of intelligent systems. Then the AI magazines, artificial intelligence in medicine, artificial intelligent systems and operations. Then the ACM transactions on intelligent systems and technology, Journal of Intelligent Systems, cybernetics, then cybernetics and systems, international journal on artificial intelligence tools, etc. So many different journals are available. Okay, additionally there are so many conferences, etc. symposiums are available. You can go and have a look. Then what are the different sort of publishers? So like major sort of publishers are including the Elsevier, Springer, MDPI, IEEE, Taylor and Francis, Association of Computing Machinery means ACM, Wiley, Sage, Hindawi, etc. are the popular journals. And in addition to this, you can also look that which are the popular authors in this particular field, and you can go to Google Scholar and have a related search. Then the Max Brammer, Peter Shivavi, and Yinjima Jia, Supriya Kapoor, France Kionor, and the kind of Rahul Bhatia, etc. So many different authors are working in the field of intelligent system. You can explore more, and relatively you will have the kind of different profiles which are suiting to your particular research interest. And when we are saying that you should go to the respective authors, you should also explore the respective institutes, because it enhances your chances of collaboration and wide publicity in terms of recognition, etc. So let me tell you that if you become part of some of these universities, like University of California System, Russian Academy of Sciences, then the University of Salamanca, then University of London, Thomas Bata University, then the Carnegie University, CMU, then Technical University of Madrid, University of Trent, and the West Virginia University, System Research Institute, Strategy and UK, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, etc. are multiple well-known research institutes. And if you become part of this institute, then obviously will have a very good research environment and you can explore the future possibilities in this particular field. Now, when we say that so many people, so many good institutes are working, then what are some of the related recent topics or the kind of fields where the people are working on in this particular area? Then let me tell you that there are so many recently accepted articles in relation to this particular domain. So wireless communications and mobile computing recently accepted a work in 2022. The title is the application of multi-agent technology in intelligent distributed sports training simulation system. So they used the multi-agent technology to have the kind of sport training, etc. And you can have and explore the work if you are interested. Additionally, the perspective on sciences accepted a work exploratory experiments, a paradigm shifted to deal with severe uncertainty in autonomous robotics in 2020. Then the wireless communication and mobile computing WCMC again accepted a work in 2020, and the title is Teaching Intelligent Systems based on the cloud platforms of the Internet of Things and its application in physical education. So you can see that the different fields including the wireless communication, mobile computing, biomacromolecules, then the energies, applied intelligence, and the sort of domains that have been consistently using this particular domains research. And if you are working in the field of sustainability or you are working in the field of high-tech systems like software and the system modeling or the kind of intelligence, then you can also go for this particular domain. Additionally, the intelligent artificial systems and the sort of intelligent systems in autonomous environments are the key focus area, because when you are going for the artificial intelligence, and that also is going to use in an autonomous environment, that is the key application area of such particular systems. And the Journal of Sensor and Actuator Networks, then the JMIR Medical Informatics, and the particular some of the works are being published in Entropy, Helion, and the Advanced Intelligent Systems, World Neurosurgery, the International Journal of Intelligent Systems, and the International Journal of Electronic and Computer Engineering, International Journal of Electric and Computer Engineering, the Frontiers in Nanotechnology, then the Light Science and Applications, International Journal of Computer Applications, etc. So many different journals as well as the publishers and the key domains are available to have a research on. Okay, so either you go by research journal, or you go by the particular domain, or you go by the key technology, or you go by the key author working in a particular field, or you go by a key university working in that particular field. You can go any way, and ultimately you are going to explore all of these things because all these things are related to each other. Okay, so my suggestion that always go through the topic, because the university, author, etc., these are the secondary things. So first thing is your interest, and if you are working in the right interest way, then obviously you'll go a long way. Okay, so in this way, I am going to say that the intelligent systems is a very promising field to work in, because in almost every field and sector, we are going to use the concept of intelligent systems, and ultimately, seeing the futuristic networks, kind of the automation and the intelligence systems that is going to be part of the futuristic network. It is damn sure thing that the intelligence system are going to be on boom. Okay, there are several assistive technology which are going to help its movement, but it is one of the mainstream technology. Okay, now when we are going to say that all these things are going to help you, then in addition, you should always explore the Google Scholar related articles and the authors, because you have started your research, might be in the very initial stage, but still you need to see that where you should move on. And it is always easy if you follow the path of a particular well-established author, not necessarily completely, but at least you will have some sort of basic idea that what sort of journals, what sort of things, what sort of topics you can focus on, and accordingly you can have some sort of alterations in your plan. So in this way, that was my opinion. Thanks for watching this particular video. If you think that we didn't put any particular analysis in its right way, please comment down below and criticize the video. Thanks for watching again. Happy learning.